Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable tax integration in Stripe for QuickBooks, detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable tax integration in Stripe for QuickBooks, start by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the Settings section in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Tax Options. Click on the Tax option to access tax-related settings. Locate the Integrations tab within the Tax settings. Under the Integrations section, look for QuickBooks Integration. Once you find QuickBooks, click on the Manage button next to it. In the QuickBooks Integration settings, look for an option to disable tax features. Toggle the setting to disable tax integration. Confirm your changes if prompted. Now, navigate to your QuickBooks account in a separate tab or window. Log into your QuickBooks account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the Apps section from the left-hand menu. Search for the Stripe app within the list of connected applications. Click on the Stripe app to open its settings. Look for a section related to tax settings or preferences. Ensure that tax integration is also disabled here, if applicable. Save any changes you made in QuickBooks. Return to your Stripe account and review the settings to confirm tax integration is disabled. Finally, conduct a test transaction to ensure everything is functioning as expected without tax integration. This completes your process for disabling tax integration in Stripe for QuickBooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.